2. Okay, good. So a small problem today there. Here I can still feel a pretty big one, so let's keep working on that. And lift up the leg, please. So I'm gonna check how far you can bend also. And then let's do the other one. Okay, that's where the issue is. Can feel some over there, huh? Yeah. Look at the carpals. Good, that's already better than last time. That was the right side we did, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good. That's much more balanced now. Okay, performance.
Well, I thought maybe you might have somebody.
Oh yes, Dr. Calhoun is somebody on the other side this time. Wonderful. Would you like some water whilst you wait? Cats and dogs. Perfect. Alright, I'll leave you to it. Dr. Calhoun shouldn't be long.
Good.
You can pop on the chair if you like. It doesn't worry.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's fix this one first. Now, for this one, we'll get you to bring both in further in front here, so that we can flatten the back more. And take a deep breath in. Yes. And out. Oh, very good.
Yes, so we're wondering if you would be happy to participate. It'd be up to you.
8, 7, 6.
So for educational.
News.
No. So we use it for educational purposes. To show the community what kind of
Turn the head to this side, please.
Yeah, and
Tilting
so
on
we've
the
gone on
okay.
social media to
Then
Facebook,
turn the other way.
That is
Okay.
completely fine. We completely respect that. Thank you for your
Yeah,
honesty
Just
as
keep the
well.
position here.
Yeah.
I'll leave you
Keep
to
the
it.
head
Thank
to
you
this
so much.
side. We'll fix it from this corner. So bring the arm all the way down. T1, quite a high problem here. Down. Okay, let's check here. 2. You did the homework every day, huh?
Sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah. It's very effective. I can see so much softer already. This one, okay. Right foot is one alignment problem. Right there. Fix this one first. If I pull down, am I hurting you?
It's all okay.
It's okay? Low back okay, huh? Quite good now. One more. If I pull, am I hurting your neck?
It's all right.
Okay. Reached up. Okay. A little bit higher. Okay. Okay. Do the same one. If I pull down, neck also fine. I'm gonna change the angle. Okay. Alright. Let me recheck this one again. Okay. So, okay. So around here. So normally I sit on it, and then you post this head here, so you can lean behind and lean slightly there. So the head is on top of the bone.
Okay.
Yeah. And then you just sit there. You'll feel a bit sore here. You wanna